Hey guys! I decided to make sure that I was in front of the camera today because it is a special occasion. I hit 5,000 subscribers! What's even crazier is that I actually got monetized after 30 days on YouTube and hit 5,000 subscribers within 2 months. I believe my first upload was on March 14th, and after that I just tried to be consistent every day. So in this video, I want to give you some advice on how to start up your YouTube channel and also how to do it just uploading from your phone and doing non-aesthetic type videos. Before I start, please remember to like and subscribe so that you can get notifications when I have new content. It also helps the channel a lot. So my first advice is to actually upload. I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel for years, but I was just too scared. I didn't know what I was doing, and so I just kept putting it off. I'd been on TikTok for a few months, and I had a girlfriend who was doing YouTube, and she was like, just upload your TikToks to YouTube. She's like, don't overthink it, just upload it. So I did. The main piece of advice that I want to give to people is to not overthink it. I am a huge overthinker. For me, if I can't do something perfect, I don't want to do it at all. And basically, that mindset is the main thing that keeps people from even attempting to do anything. So I would just say, get started today. You know, they say the best time to plant a tree, if it wasn't yesterday, it's today. The requirements are very clear on how to make money on YouTube. You have to hit 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, which seemed like it was pretty doable. Apparently, on average, it takes about a year and a half before people typically monetize. Now, this is if you're uploading once a week or once a month, but I just kind of wanted to get the requirements out of the way and see how fast I could do it. So I uploaded something every single day. Another thing that was really important is that I optimized SEO on YouTube as much as I possibly could. I downloaded vidIQ. It's an application that basically helps you optimize your SEO. It helps you come up with different hashtags, different tags for your videos. And so as soon as I got that in order, I was able to really maximize my SEO potential for all of my videos. So the other thing that I think I did that was very helpful was that my channel definitely has a theme. A lot of people say to not niche down, but I just chose to because it was easier for me when I was looking for different content to post or different topics to post about. Kind of like siloing myself a bit helped me to produce things more quickly. Something else that I noticed was very helpful was posting in the community tab. The community tab is a tool that a lot of other social media sites don't have, where you really get to connect with people. And so it was cool because I felt like I was doing kind of like a Facebook page update for my subscribers. I haven't posted on Facebook for years, but people seem to love it. And I also noticed that on the days that I didn't post in my community tab, but I did post videos, my videos didn't do as well, and I also didn't get as many new subscribers. So just keep that in mind. So I have several mutuals from TikTok who also joined YouTube as well. And one of the main things I noticed that they did is that they would upload their videos and they would miss something really simple like hashtags and tags. Optimizing your SEO on YouTube is a huge function of the site, so make sure you're doing that. My YouTube channel is not perfect yet. I'm still filming on my phone, but it's already giving me some passive income. It's really small, but it's something. And it's gotten me started, and I'm really excited to see where it goes. If you have any questions, also please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this type of video, please let me know, and I'll continue making them and keeping you guys in the loop on my YouTube journey. Thanks.
Like and subscribe for more.